Yeah, we could do it right on that.
Yeah, right on the board on the top.
That can be something that we can do later, though. The main thing is we need that other panel up, and then we need to connect them to this one, or overlay it enough, and use a couple of zip ties, I think.
Yep.
Like every so many feet. Like if we overlay it in the center, it should be easy and should stay pretty well. These birds are gonna have fun munching on a bunch of stuff. So this netting is really difficult to handle. It just likes to hook onto everything. Zip ties. Let's see if we can do this a little bit better than we did last time. I don't know if we can. It's like they take it and then they knot it. So we are going to trim it up along the bottom to where it'll be about right here. And yeah, then we just have to tighten it up a little bit more. And we are done. These birds are gonna get it. They're gonna be so spoiled. These boys are gonna be so spoiled. There he is. They're so wild, man.
Oh, there's a baby assassin.
I've had to work a lot of overtime at the plant, so now we are one step closer to getting this done completely, and they can at least live in there now without being attacked. I start feeling a little bit of dirt around the fence, but that can be done later. We're going to do some more stretching of the netting to get it looking good and tight. And after that, all we got to do is build the nesting boxes. I've got to repair the water line. And then we're going to make it a lot more comfortable for them in there. And we're going to put in a couple shady spots.
Once this gets done though, we'll be able to house so many more chickens. And they will be so, so happy.